I've created as part of my in-class programming. So upon entering any text and pressing the show result button, you'll be seeing the data that has been inputted from an API. So basically what's happening in this application is a client is making a request to the server. The server makes a REST call to the API. It gets the data from the API and it sends back to the client. So I will walk you through the code that is responsible for this application. So this file is basically the server file which is running on the backend. So as I'm using a client-server architecture, I'm here using the calls behavior because I'm making a call from one domain to the server in other domain. So basically I need a CORS, which is cross-origin resource service. And as my data from API is in format of JSON, I want to make a request in the form of JSON. So that is why I need a request JSON. And I'm using Express, which serves as a bridge between client and server. So basically the logic over here is we're creating a client using a request of JSON type on this IP address of 127.0.1 and on the port number 8080. And the app uses cross origin resource services and body parser because we need to add the data to the body, and we are also encoding URL in our app. So basically on the client side, the client makes a call to the server using this logic over here. It makes a call to this server on this port number 8080, and this is the get data is a function that is being called to the server. So get data is a function over here. The server makes a REST call to the API using the client. Using the search keyword, this is the API that we are getting information from, and this is my API key. And upon getting the data, we are sending our data in a body as a response to the server. So if you see, server is listening on the port number 8080 through which client and server both will communicate. And the data from API would be sending into client back, and the data has been rendered in HTML using the logic over here. So basically from the API, which is sent from API information sent from the server, we're displaying the description, wiki heading, and image from the server body. Thank you.